So today's video is going to go over different amounts of time. We're going to show you some examples and how they apply to each one. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So the different amounts of time include the following. So we've got 1 year as 365 days. We also have 1 year as 12 months. We also have 1 month as 28 to 31 days. We also have 1 week that equals 7 days. We also have 1 day that equals 24 hours. We also have 1 hour that equals 60 minutes. And we also have 1 minute that equals 60 seconds. Now, these are just some examples. There's a whole lot more, but for today's video, we're just going to focus on these type of times and similarities. So now we're going to match each activity with an estimate of how long it takes. So as you can see here, I've got estimate of different times, and on this side here, we've got activities. And all we're going to do is match them up based on the estimate with the activity here. So for the first one, we've got 5 minutes here. Which activity would you use? Sunrise, watch a movie, toast bread, hear a song, a 1-hour train ride, or a birthday? Which one do you think best fits 5 minutes? That's right, we're going to toast bread. What about 60 minutes? Which activity best matches that? That's right, it's a 1-hour train ride. And what's an activity that would take about 3 minutes and 45 seconds? Right, you're going to hear a song around that amount of time. And what happens in 1 year? Or better yet, what happens every year? That's right, it's your birthday. And what's something that takes place in 24 hours? Or better yet, every 24 hours? That's right, the sunrise. Give or take, depending on when the sunrise and sunset, the time can fluctuate, but it's basically every 24 hours. And the only one left is 1 hour and 45 minutes. And what would that be here? Yeah, gonna watch a movie. So we're gonna do the same thing here again. We've got an estimate of different times, and then we've got these different activities here. I'm not gonna read through them. I'll just let you look at them. We are gonna solve them though, so you can take a look at them now. And then for 10 seconds, which one best fits the activity for 10 seconds? Right, you're gonna tie your shoe. And what about for 8 hours? What's something that you would do for 8 hours, give or take? Maybe some people need 6 hours, 7 hours, 9 hours, or 10, but 8 hours, I figured. What's something that would take 8 hours? Right, you're gonna sleep. What about for 2 minutes and 55 seconds? Right, you're gonna eat an ice cream. And what's 365 days? That's right, New Year's every 365 days. What takes 24 hours to do? Right, sunset again, and then the last one is 45 minutes. What's the only one left on this list? Right, have a class, and of course that again will fluctuate. Some classes might be 35 minutes, some might be an hour, but based on this list that we're given here, that's what we want to match. So can you name some activities you can do and the amount of time it will take? Leave them in a comment down below. So that's today's activity, and I just wanted to show you how different times match up with different activities and what they can be. Now, of course, there's many more, and maybe you may not necessarily agree with what I showed you, but again, these are estimate times, and the activities can also be based on that amount of time. So if you're like disagreeing with like a class or tying your shoe or eating an ice cream, I understand, okay? But again, we're just following the list that we've been given here, okay? So as always, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.